Alright then, I'm just going to make a blueberry cobbler really easy and simple. I'm going to be using about 21-ounce can of the blueberry pie filling. You're going to pour it into 9 by 30-inch baking pan, has been already sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. You can make your own blueberry pie filling from scratch. It is completely up to you. And you're just going to spread it over very evenly into the pan. I already preheated the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven is nice and hot. We're going to set this for momentarily, and we're going to move on for the battered biscuit topping. Now to make up battered biscuit toppings, I already put 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to put a third of a cup of granulated sugar to sweeten up just a little bit. I'm also putting 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm just going to put an 1/8 teaspoons of kosher salt. We don't need too much salt. I'm just going to whisk that around real quickly. And I'm going to pour 2 cups of whole milk. And 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Now we're going to use the wire whisk to stir very evenly. It becomes where it turns like a pancake batter. It's just beautifully pancake batter. Now you can go ahead and pour your batter right on top of the blueberry filling. But it's blueberry pie filling. Going to use the rubber spatula to scrape all the bowls everywhere. We don't want to waste that. We're going to pop this in the oven. It has been already preheated for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to bake this for 40 minutes until the biscuit just puffs up and turns nice and golden brown. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. Here we are guys, blueberry cobbler just done after it's baked for 40 minutes in 400 degrees. So let's take it out of the oven. I already done this for first. And we're going to let them cool at room temperature on the rack for 1 hour before we're going to serve. And this is how I finished with the blueberry cobbler. Really easy, use it with the blueberry pie filling from the can. And the biscuits just pops up very, 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 very tasty. Hopefully it's going to be very enjoyable. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below. If you want to say something, always have to make sure to view all videos, watch before sharing. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up for everyone. Oh yeah, and of course, don't forget to scoop with some vanilla ice cream right on top. As always, enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.